Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to talk about one of the most majestic and powerful birds in the animal kingdom, the eagle. Known for its strength, sharp vision, and grace, the eagle has been a symbol of power and freedom for centuries. In this presentation, we'll explore what makes eagles so extraordinary, their habitats and behaviors, and their significance in cultures worldwide. Let's take flight into the world of eagles. Habitat and range. Eagles are found on every continent except Antarctica, living in a variety of habitats such as mountains, forests, grasslands, and coastal regions. Some species, like the bald eagle, prefer areas near water where fish are abundant, while others, like the golden eagle, thrive in open landscapes. Behavior and diet. Eagles are skilled hunters and are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. Their diet primarily consists of fish, small mammals, and birds, though some species scavenge. Eagles are solitary hunters, but may form monogamous pairs for life, building large nests called eyries high in trees or cliffs. Cultural significance. Eagles have been revered in cultures worldwide. For example, the bald eagle is a national symbol of the United States, representing freedom and strength. In Native American traditions, eagles are considered sacred and are often associated with spiritual power. Ancient civilizations like the Romans and Greeks also used eagle imagery to signify dominance and victory. Physical characteristics and fascinating facts about eagles. Incredible vision. Eagles have extremely sharp eyesight, which is 4 to 8 times better than that of humans. They can spot prey from up to 2 miles, 3.2 kilometers, away. Massive wingspans. Eagles have impressive wingspans. For example, the bald eagle's wingspan ranges from 6 to 7.5 feet, 1.8 to 2.3 meters, while the harpy eagle can reach up to 7.4 feet, 2.2 meters. Powerful predators. Eagles are apex predators, using their sharp talons and beaks to hunt prey such as fish, small mammals, and birds. Symbol of power. Eagles are symbols of strength and freedom in many cultures. The bald eagle is the national bird and symbol of the United States, while other eagles are revered in myths and legends worldwide. Monogamous mates. Most eagle species are monogamous, forming lifelong pairs. They return to the same nesting area each year, building and maintaining massive nests called eyries. Skilled builders. Eagles build some of the largest nests among birds. Bald eagle nests can reach up to 10 feet, 3 meters, in diameter and weigh over a ton. Global presence. Eagles are found on every continent except Antarctica. Different species have adapted to diverse habitats, including mountains, forests, and coastal areas. Record lifespan. In the wild, eagles can live up to 20 to 30 years, depending on the species. In captivity, some have lived even longer due to better care and lack of predators. Diverse species. There are around 60 species of eagles worldwide, including the golden eagle, bald eagle, harpy eagle, and steppe eagle, each with unique traits and behaviors. Conservation success. The bald eagle, once on the brink of extinction due to hunting and pesticide use, has made a remarkable recovery thanks to conservation efforts. It was removed from the U.S. endangered species list in 2007. These facts highlight the remarkable traits and significance of eagles in the natural world and human culture. Conservation. While some eagle species, like the bald eagle, have recovered thanks to conservation efforts, others, such as the Philippine eagle, remain critically endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Protecting these birds requires global efforts to preserve their habitats and reduce threats. Conclusion. In conclusion, eagles are more than just birds. They are symbols of strength, freedom, and resilience. From their incredible hunting skills to their importance in cultures worldwide, eagles continue to inspire and fascinate us. As we admire their majesty, let's also work to protect their habitats and ensure they thrive for generations to come. thank you for listening, and I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for these magnificent birds. Thanks for watching. We will soon be back with a new episode. Please subscribe.